To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Let's shift our focus from Kerala to Karnataka now. Viewers, in Karnataka, a major controversy has erupted. In fact, we've got some, information about what happened in Karnataka Bhavan in the national capital, where we are getting to know there was a verbal spat between senior officials that took an ugly turn. We're talking about Special Officer to Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar H. Anjaneya, in fact, who has accused C. Mohan Kumar, who is Special Officer to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, of assaulting him with a shoe. That's right. Anjaneya, in fact, has filed a formal complaint as well, seeking criminal action and alleging that Kumar has been consistently disrupting his work. He has also expressed concerns for his safety, warning that Mohan Kumar will be responsible for if anything happens to him. And Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has now responded, saying the matter will be looked into. Listen in.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಒಂದು 5 minutes ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೆಲವು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಲುಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಒಂದು 5 minutes ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೆಲವು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಲುಕ್ ಇಟ್
The Bharatiya Janata Party has mocked the Congress leadership, claiming Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge have no control over their party in the state. Taking a direct swipe, the BJP says camps of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar are tearing into each other, alleging that the fight is not for power but for loot. Listen in.
Well, this is the state of governance in Karnataka. The civil war that is going on between the CM and the DCM is clearly no more civil. You may be, one will not be surprised if in the coming days you will have officers beating each other up in Vidhan Sauda to prove their loyalties to these two camps and on which faction of the officers are making more cuts and more money, more commissions to please their faction leader. This is unfortunately the levels to which governance has plummeted in Karnataka.
Congress netas, meanwhile, have hit back, saying that the Karnataka government is fully capable of handling the situation and assuring that strict action will be taken against those found guilty. Listen in.
Karnataka government is competent enough to look into it, and if there is anything wrong, they will take action. Karnataka government is competent enough to look into it, and if there is anything wrong, they will take action.
Rift between the Chief Minister of Karnataka and the Deputy Chief Minister is already in public domain and is an open secret. But now a fresh controversy has come to light where there is a fight between the Special Duty Officer of the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, and the Special Duty Officer of Deputy Chief Minister. Reportedly, this fight took place yesterday in the Karnataka Bhavan from where we are reporting right now. There were verbal arguments first in between the Special Duty Officer of Siddaramaiah, who is Mr. Mohan Kumar, and between the Special Duty Officer of D.K. Shivkumar, who is Mr. Anjaneya. Anjaneya accused Mohan Kumar of threatening him, abusing him, and also throwing boots at him here in the Karnataka Bhavan. We'll show you the visuals as well, where this entire incident took place. Also, Mr. Anjaneya noted and in fact have also written a letter to the Commissioner of Karnataka Bhavan, mentioning that how Mr. Mohan Kumar had in fact had thrown shoe on him, and not just that but also in fact mentioned that he is an egoistic person of being a special officer of the Chief Minister, and for the same reason he was also in fact Anjaneya was transferred from Office of Superintendent Administration to the Resident Commissioner office, and also in fact he mentioned that this is not for the first time that such kind of behavior of Mr. Mohan Kumar has come to light. Earlier also there have been in such kind of instances reported where the special duty officer of Chief Minister, who is also an assistant commissioner here at Karnataka Bhavan, misbehaved with his seniors. So now, already there was in rift between the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister, and now there is in rift. There is a fight between the officers as well here at the staff at the Karnataka Bhavan.
Let's now go across to my colleague Neha Hebale joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Neha, how do we see this latest development? Is it just a bureaucratic spat or there is much more behind it? What has been the view of Mr. D.K. Shivkumar on this?
Well, of course, quite an embarrassment here for the Karnataka government, given that two of their own officials working at the Karnataka Bhavan there are sparring, and how, in a manner, saying one of them, in fact, accusing the other of reportedly having used a boot or having threatened to at least hit him with a boot or with a shoe. It's really quite unfortunate, of course. Even as, of course, letter there has been written now to the resident commissioner of the Karnataka Bhavan. We'll really have to wait and see how the government deals with this. The officer here in concern who's written this letter, the OSD, of course, and the deputy, in fact, coordinator there for the Deputy Chief Minister, stating that he wants a thorough investigation into this entire matter. He wants a departmental inquiry, that the officer who's been accused of this here has a history of having doing this in the past as well. The officer being accused here being Mohan Kumar, who's also done this reportedly where he's disrespected officials in the past. Of course, what remains to be seen right now is how the Karnataka government deals with this, even as you have senior ministers in the government dismissing this issue as a small one, stating that it's just a fight between two officers that would be resolved. We'll really have to wait and see how deep-rooted this is and what really led to that particular letter there being written off to the resident commissioner.
It's interesting what you're saying, that as far as Mohan Kumar is concerned, one of the two Babus here that we are talking about, in fact, has disrespected officials in the past as well. Then why no action ever was taken against him?
Well, of course, we must remember that's just a charge here. That's an allegation now that's being levelled by Anjaneya, the official working with the Deputy Chief Minister's office, against Mohan Kumar, who's an officer there working with the Chief Minister's office. As far as, of course, these allegations are concerned, the government would be probing this, is what we're being told. The copy of this letter now, apart from being sent to the resident commissioner, a copy of this letter has also now been addressed to the Chief Secretary's office and to the office of the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka as well. What action would be taken in this regard, of course, remains to be seen, because one must remember this also happened in the presence reportedly of another official there who reportedly remained mum as this entire incident panned out. These are the allegations now that have been levelled in that letter. How much of this, of course, is true and what comes out of that probe as and when it's ordered remains to be seen.
Right. Stay on with us, Neha. In fact, we have some more breaking inputs coming in as far as this story is concerned. Now we have a reaction coming in from Karnataka Minister Dinesh Gundurao as well, who seems to be downplaying this entire issue, saying that, it's not really big. In fact, this is like making a mountain of a molehill. Listen in.
I think you want to make a mountain out of a molehill and reflecting it on the administration is, I think, ridiculous, because they have no issues to speak about. But apart from that, whatever has happened there, it has to be inquired into. No officer should behave like this. And if there's any inquiry needs to be done, that should be done. And if anyone has, acted with indiscipline, action should be taken. I don't think it doesn't matter who they are, what they are. They are bound by certain rules and regulations. And if they violate that, I think government will not hesitate to take action.
So that was the reaction we got from Karnataka Minister Dinesh Gundurao. Thank you, Neha, for your inputs on this story. With this, we will slip into a very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.